Hi viewers, welcome to the Fast Profits Daily Video Series. Myself Brijesh Bhatia, Senior Researcher and Editor at Equity Master. So markets have been slightly trading in a range bound as of now, and we are witnessing 14,500, 15,300 has been slightly a range. Though there are gaps up and gap down, market have been slightly volatile, trading a couple of percent plus minus, and things are going on. But in this video, I'm not here to share the view on Nifty, but one sector where an investor is should look out. One sector where the wealth creation can be a big opportunity, and that sector is FMCG. So first, let's look at the broader picture of the monthly chart of FMCG index. So if you look at the monthly chart of FMCG index, it's been a rally, a consolidation, a rally, a consolidation, a rally. This has been going on in FMCG space, and always FMCG has been one of the defensive sector. Though during the bad times, it has strongly outperformed, and I guess 2013, 2015, where most of the sectors were underperforming, FMCG was the one which has seen a outperformance over those point of time. But if you look at the chart over here, it's been consolidating a rally, again a consolidation, and most important, if you look at the consolidation as per the time series, and if there's a say in technical analysis that history repeats itself. So if you look at the consolidation, initially it took around 40 months of a consolidation, so again a big period. Then a rally, a consolidation of around 43 months, again a rally, a consolidation of 43 months, and again the prices are now breaking out of those consolidation again. Though we have seen Jan and Feb a breakout, March have been slightly still, I would say not a big a momentum starter of a big momentum, but we believe that the retest and the fresh leg of a wealth creation momentum this sector can show is on cards. If we look at the lower panel over here, the MACD, which is moving average convergence divergence. Now, if you look at the average, when the average is after falling down, gives a positive crossover above the integer line. The amazing move has been witnessed in the coming months, coming years, and we certainly believe that if we look at the current point of time where the positive crossover has happened on the average, and even if you look at the historically previous, these positive crossovers whenever happened, market have seen a huge rally, and this again point of time prices are breaking out of those range, plus MACD is giving a positive cross. So again, it's been a strong conviction that the months to come, the years to come, FMCG could strongly see an upside momentum, and we have seen be it ITC, be it Dabur, be it Britannia, HUL, the biggies of FMCG have been slightly consolidating in last few months, and that could see a huge uptick, and we are not surprised that we might see probably 2021 ending on a bigger note for FMCG space, and probably 2020 to 23 can be the year of FMCG, looking at the moves which it has been showing. Now if you look at the second chart over here, this is the point and figure chart. So basically another way of looking at the charts. The X here represents the bullish momentum, the O here represents the bearish momentum. Now this is again a weekly chart. I'm looking at the longer term, not a shorter term point of view or a medium term point of view. I'm looking at it as a longer term. Now if you look at the 3% by 3%, which means that every week when prices close 3% higher, the X is formed. When prices fall down by 9%, which means 3% into 3, which is 9, the O is formed. So similarly, if you look at the consolidation, it has happened, and the triple top, the pattern on the right hand side, the black line which has been showing the breakout, has happened, and triple top generally marks a big breakout, even it's a shorter time frame, it's a longer time frame or a long term charts you are looking at. So here the FMG is breaking out of a triple top on the point and figure chart is more convincing, and adding the fuel to the bar charts, which is been breaking out of the 43 months consolidation breakout. And again, if you look at the time series wise, yes, history is repeating again and again on FMCG space. So we believe that if I just look at the two charts, just to sum up, consolidation breakout, time wise consolidation breakout, MACD, on triple top on point and figure. And triple top, even if you look at the previous, though I would not say the triple top, but if you look at the previous highs were taken out in the FMCG at the initial level on weekly 3% by 3, we have seen a huge rally out. And if I just measure this target, we are currently trading around 30 to 33,000, and if I just measure the target as per point and figure, it sums up to around 50,000 plus. So we believe that yes, FMCG still has a huge stem, and this could be the one sector which could be the big wealth creator in 2021 2022. So you should look at these chart as an wealth creation. And again, I repeat, this is not a short term or a medium term which I am looking at from a index point of view, but yes, on the wealth creation, and this is an amazing sector you should look at. Though I leave it to you on the stock selection process, but this sector is promising for me on the wealth side, and I would definitely look at an investment opportunity in the FMCG space. So before signing off, I request, in case you haven't clicked to our subscribe button on our YouTube channel, do click it and do comment on our videos. How do you like it? And in case you think that some of the parts from trading side, investing side, technical side, we should cover in our fast profits daily video series, we'll definitely try to make it out for you. And signing off, Brijesh Bhatia. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe to my email newsletters, Fast Profits Daily, and get a free guide on how to trade markets like pro. Thank you.